Hi, the SI meteorologist Paul Dorian here on Thursday, May 9th. Unsettled weather conditions continue here in the Mid-Atlantic region. Yesterday and last night featured some heavy downpours up and down the I-95 corridor, some embedded thunderstorms. While today and tomorrow will be mainly rain-free, there certainly can be some more shower and thunderstorm activity, especially during the afternoon and early evening hours up and down the I-95 corridor. Some heavy rain is falling right now across portions of central and northern New Jersey. And again, there can be some pop-up showers with thunderstorms at just about any time, even though much of the day will be rain-free. Really will stay quite unsettled here in the Mid-Atlantic region right through Saturday until a strong cold front sweeps off the East Coast by the latter part of the weekend, paving the way for a very chilly air mass for about Sunday night, Monday night, and most of Tuesday time frame. By the middle of next week, we'll start to warm up again. Well, let's first start off by looking at the 500 millibar map, the current upper level chart here. We've done this the last couple of days to kind of track the movement of these upper level lows. Well, here's the upper level low as of this morning. Again, this is the same upper level low that over the weekend caused some heavy rains and snows out here in the middle part of the country that just slowly pulled to the north and east, grudgingly climbing up the East Coast right now. But the fact that it's still situated in the upper part of the atmosphere, it's really a cold pocket in the upper part of the atmosphere, keeps it very unstable. And once you get some morning sunshine heating up the lower parts of the atmosphere, the instability increases, and that's why we have a better chance of showers and thunderstorms this afternoon compared to this morning, even though much of the day will indeed be rain-free. Another upper level low is weakening somewhat out over the interior west, but it continues to sit out there, that trough. And in fact, there can be some accumulating snows in some of the Colorado Rockies later on today associated with that cold pocket in the upper part of the atmosphere. Well, a nice way to, to look at the flow of air sometimes is with this infrared satellite loop. This is available on the Penn State EWOL site. It's a colorized infrared satellite loop, and you really can see the rotation in the clouds, which indicate exactly where that upper level low is. And here's that rotation right in here, kind of centered over southeastern Pennsylvania, still spinning. Again, and it's slowly drifted to the north and east. The fact that it's now moved a little bit farther to northeast will lessen the possibility of steady heavy rain like we had parts of yesterday and the day before in the I-95 corridor. But nonetheless, cold air in the upper part of the atmosphere keeps it unstable, and as soon as you get a few hours of warming in the lower part of the atmosphere, that instability increases, and so does the chance for showers and thunderstorms during the afternoon. Again, this is spinning slowly to the north and east, and really the whole thing will not get swept out of here until a strong cold front moves in later this weekend. Well, here's the latest GOES visible satellite imagery loop from the Penn State EWOL site. We looked at this yesterday morning. Really not a heck of a lot of difference from yesterday morning. Still can see the rotation, some scalloping in the clouds here. Right here is central and northern New Jersey is where some of the heavy rainfall is occurring right now. That kind of went through the Philadelphia region late last night. And there's some low clouds and fog. Kind of see the texture difference down here from D.C. south. That's really associated with very low level clouds and some fog. That'll kind of dissipate as time goes on, but it'll stay mostly cloudy. There certainly can be some breaks of sunshine up and down the I-95 corridor, and again, mainly rain-free, but showers and thunderstorms can pop up this afternoon, and any one of those showers or thunderstorms can contain some heavy rainfall. Here's the current radar loop. Again, some heavy showers and storms just to the west of the New York City region here, climbing through the interior parts of New Jersey from southern New Jersey now into northern New Jersey. You can see, again, the rotation even here using the radar loop as these are swinging down to the south and east, whereas this part of the upper level low is sending stuff up to the north and west, kind of centered right now in southeastern Pennsylvania. A lot of this area is rain-free right now here from Philly across Delmarva and D.C., but the morning sunshine and heating of the lower part of the atmosphere will certainly help to enhance the radar echoes this afternoon with some scattered showers and thunderstorms. Well, let's quickly walk through some GFS forecast maps that using 12-hour increments beginning with tonight and going right into the weekend. In fact, we'll go right up to the point where that strong cold front is moving towards the East Coast by Saturday night. This is the forecast map from last night's Zero-Z GFS model run for this evening. Again, lots of precipitation put out here by the GFS model from the Mid-Atlantic region all the way through the northeastern part of the country associated with that upper level feature. Meanwhile, an enhanced precipitation area forming out here over the middle part of the country. And notice up here, southern Canada, lots of blue lines here indicative of some cold air, and that is the colder air mass that is headed for the East Coast come Sunday night, Monday night into Tuesday. It's a quick shot of cold air, but Monday morning and Tuesday morning look very chilly in parts of the Northeast and Midwest. And this time of the year, that can do some damage to some outdoor plants with temperatures perhaps in the 30s in the northern and western suburbs of the I-95 corridor, big cities from D.C. to New York City, Monday morning and again on Tuesday morning. Well, here's the forecast map for tomorrow morning, Friday morning. Now, notice here, nothing being predicted here by the GFS model in the overnight hours. Again, there can be some showers and thunderstorms into the evening hours, but by tomorrow morning, things ought to be kind of quiet. And this will allow for some sunshine tomorrow, a little bit of a southwesterly flow, and a taste of summer from D.C. up to New York City. D.C. should move into the 80s tomorrow. Philadelphia in and around the 80-degree mark, perhaps a degree or two above 80 degrees. Upper 70s in New York City. A true taste of summer on Friday with some sunshine. And then late in the day, there certainly can be some more showers and thunderstorms continuing into tomorrow night. Let's now jump ahead to the Friday evening forecast map. And here's the Friday evening forecast map. A big band of showers and thunderstorms moving from the Ohio Valley towards the Mid-Atlantic region. I think there could be some heavy rainfall on Friday evening. This is a frontal system, but it's the main front is still back here, and it's kind of going to join up with that initial frontal system here, and we'll see in a moment that ends up becoming one strong front that sweeps off the East Coast by the latter part of the weekend. And here's the forecast map for Saturday morning. One frontal system here in the eastern part of the country, but the main front, the granddaddy of them all here, still back out over the Midwest. Again, Saturday will continue to be unsettled. Will really be unsettled from right now right through Saturday until this major cold front sweeps off the East Coast. Let's now jump ahead to Saturday evening. Finally, by Saturday evening, the main front is now nearing the East Coast here. Again, a continuation of a threat for showers and thunderstorms on Saturday ahead of this front. This finally sweeps off the East Coast by early Sunday. A strong high pressure from Canada moves to the east. Comes Sunday night, it'll be very chilly in the Midwest and very chilly for this time of the year, moving into the Mid-Atlantic region by Monday morning, and that continues into Tuesday. Let's now jump ahead to Monday morning's forecast map. And here it is, the forecast map for Monday morning. By this time, everything is swept off the East Coast by that strong cold front. Notice the blue lines here all the way down. There tends to be a rain snow line here, this initial blue line here way down south and east of D.C. The center of the cold air mass right here in the southeastern part of Canada. Basically, very chilly air mass affects the Midwest and Northeast Mid-Atlantic region Sunday night, Monday morning, and then the Midwest kind of warms up by the time Monday night, Tuesday morning rolls around, but it'll still be a very chilly morning here in the Mid-Atlantic and Northeast come Tuesday morning. Then all that sweeps off rather quickly, and milder air moves in by the middle part of next week. So we have maybe a 2-day cold shot coming from late Sunday into the early mid part of Tuesday before milder air moves into the Mid-Atlantic region by the middle part of next week, and a true taste of summer to close out the work week on Friday. That's it for now. Stay tuned to the SIweather.com for updates later on today. I'm the SI meteorologist, Paul Dorian.